Can you identify animals just by their sound? Let's find out. Farm Classic. Cow, the loyal companion. Dog, the house favorite. Cat, too simple. Drop a like if you nailed them all. Stay tuned for the bonus question. Nature's songster. Bird, soft and fluffy. Sheep, graceful and fast. Horse, still with us. Make sure to subscribe for more challenges. The king of the savannah. Elephant, jumping legend. Frog, bonus question. Which animal is famous for loving carrots? Write your answer below and challenge your friends. The stealthy night hunter.